Dear student, today we are going to write essay on Independence Day. Grow with success. Let's start. Independence Day is celebrated in India every year on 15th of August. With great joy and happiness, India became independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. Since then, this day is celebrated every year. These are our real hero and freedom fighters. Today we are living in free India because of their sacrifices. Independence Day ceremony is organized at the Red Fort on 15th of August. Our Prime Minister unfurls the national flag here early in the morning. Lots of people participate in this ceremony. Guests and students give speech on this occasion. Patriotic songs are sung by the students. Many cultural activities are arranged on this day. Sweets are distributed to everyone. Dear student, we will meet you soon in the next video. Do your homework daily. Bye.